Welcome to our tutorial on how to make money with ChatGPT. In this video, we'll be covering how to use the ChatGPT language model to generate human-like text and earn income through a variety of methods. First, let's define what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI that has been trained on a vast amount of text data from the internet. It has the ability to generate text that is very similar to human-written text, making it a powerful tool for generating content such as articles, social media posts, and even YouTube scripts. Now, let's talk about how you can use ChatGPT to make money. One way to do this is by using the model to generate content for your own blog or website. By using ChatGPT to generate high-quality, engaging content, you can attract more traffic to your site and potentially earn money through advertising or by selling products or services. Another way to make money with ChatGPT is by offering content generation services to businesses or individuals. Many people and companies are willing to pay for well-written, unique content, and ChatGPT can help you produce this type of content quickly and efficiently. You can also use ChatGPT to create social media posts for businesses or individuals. With the ability to generate engaging and on-brand content, you can help businesses grow their social media presence and reach a wider audience. Finally, you can use ChatGPT to generate scripts for YouTube videos. By using the model to come up with creative and attention-grabbing video ideas and outlines, you can save time and effort in the video creation process and potentially earn money through YouTube advertising or sponsorships. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you generate high-quality content and earn money through a variety of methods. Whether you're looking to create content for your own site, offer content generation services, or generate social media posts or YouTube scripts, ChatGPT can help you achieve your goals.